this demolition could not have happened without the handiwork of the police. I'm making this allegation because I have reason to believe, and I have certain evidence to believe, that there is a very high-ranking police officer who is involved in this arrangement for making this demolition. I'm making this charge, and I will ask the Chief Minister to constitute a special inquiry, a commission, headed by a retired High Court judge, with no police officers involved, because everybody will be under pressure or influence, because I want to unravel who is this man who has been behind this, and it should be out, and I will demand that this man should be relieved of that position. Since he belongs to an IPS cadre, I will tell you that he cannot be suspended by the government of Goa, because it is MHA which will suspend, but he should be relieved, because if you have such kind of persons sitting on the top in the police hierarchy, you can imagine what will happen below. Information I have got that there is a handiwork of the police involved. I think the PI will have to explain. I think the DYSP will have to explain, because they are the ones in charge of this jurisdiction of this area, and how and whose calls they got. It will be proper to have a check on all the calls they have received, including of these high-level police officers. And also, I would like to make sure that the call between these police officers and this owner has to be monitored, including the call details of these bouncers and whoever came. And you said 6 jana arrest kelat munni. So those people, these will show the chain and the link, how it is flowing to come to the mastermind of this thing. Otherwise, this police investigation will be a mockery, and they will protect their backside. They will want to protect every trace which they have done. They will try to close it. 55 history teachers or criminals arrested. They are criminal. तो आत criminal करू इता तेंचे. Is this correct?
हांव गेल्लो तेन्ना हांवें एक आरोप केल्ले की एक हाय लेवल IPS ऑफिसर आसा म्हणून, आनी म्हाका एक दुबाव आसा की हे लोकांनी प्रेशर घायला आसतलो इको सेटलमेंट करपाक, कित्याक ते नांव भायर सरपा न्ही म्हणून. ते हाय ऑफिसर हांव जाणा लोकां फोन मारतलो. It is not a matter of this case. This is a matter of a systematic placement of officers here who are acting as brokers to sell our properties from Goa. Don't take us for granted. Now we will be after you to find out how you have done this compromise, what kind of a settlement you have arrived at, and how you are trying to forgive the crime which has been committed against you, a crime against society, a crime against Goans.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.